Tired of losing potential customers because they can't get instant answers on your website? Let's fix that by setting up Tidio, a powerful chatbot solution, in just a few easy steps. First, head over to Tidio.com and look for the Sign Up Free button. It's usually in a prominent spot like the top right corner or in the middle of the page. Click that, and you'll be taken to the registration form. Fill out your email address, create a strong password, and enter the URL of your website. It's important to use a real website address here, even if it's a temporary one, as Tidio needs it for the integration. Next, Tidio will ask you a few questions to personalize your experience. This includes selecting your industry and the size of your company. Now comes the fun part: customizing your chatbot. Choose a color scheme that matches your brand. Upload a professional avatar, maybe your logo or a friendly photo, and craft an engaging welcome message. This is your chance to make a great first impression. Time to connect Tidio to your website. Tidio offers various integration methods. If you're using WordPress, there's a dedicated plugin for easy installation. Otherwise, you can use the JavaScript code snippet. Simply copy the code provided. Make sure to copy the whole code snippet, then follow the instructions that Tidio gives for embedding this code on your website. Once installed, hop back to the Tidio dashboard. Here, you can manage live chats, design sophisticated chatbot flows to automate responses, and track key metrics to see how Tidio is improving your customer engagement. And that's it. Now, you are all set.